In this video, I will guide you through how to clone GitHub repository in Visual Studio. Cloning a GitHub repository makes it easy to set up your development environment and start working on a project right away. Before we begin, you'll need two things installed on your computer. First, you need Git, and second, you need Visual Studio Code. If you haven't installed them yet, you can find links to my installation tutorials in the video description. Alright, let's get started. First, we need to find the GitHub repository that we want to clone. Open your browser, go to GitHub, and open the repository you want to download. Inside the repository, click the green code button, make sure HTTPS is selected, and then copy the repository. If you're cloning a PHP-based project, make sure you have XAMPP installed on your computer, since you'll need a local web server to run the application. Next, open File Explorer, go to this PC, then local disk, open the XAMPP folder, and then open the htdocs folder. We're going to clone the project inside the htdocs directory so we can easily run it through XAMPP later. Once you're inside the folder, right-click on an empty area and select Open in Terminal. In the terminal window, type git clone, then paste the repository URL that you copied earlier and press enter. Git will start downloading the repository and create a local copy on your computer. Depending on the size of the project, this may take a few moments to complete. After cloning finish, you will see the repository directory. Next, open Visual Studio Code, then click File and select Open Folder. Browse to the location where you cloned the repository. Select the cloned project folder and click Select Folder. Visual Studio Code will now open the repository and you'll be able to view, edit, and manage all of the project files directly from VS Code. If you're working with a PHP-based project inside the htdocs folder, you can also test it locally through XAMPP. To do that, open your browser and type localhost in the address bar, then press enter. Click on the project folder, and as you can see, the website is now running locally on your computer. Now, whenever you make changes to the project files in Visual Studio Code, you can refresh the browser and instantly see those changes reflected on the website. I hope this video helped you learn how to clone a GitHub repository and open it in Visual Studio Code. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.